Hi there, today we're going to make a spread. It's a beautiful green color spread that it's really great to use on canapes, crackers, use it as a sandwich spread. It's just very delicious and it's based on cashews. You can also use other nuts such as walnuts or pecans. The other main ingredients is parsley. This time we use Italian parsley. I like Italian parsley because it's got this intense flavor to it and it stands up really well in a spread. A bit of garlic, just one nice big clove of garlic. A bit of lemon juice, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, food processor of course. We're gonna need that. Put the garlic in there so it gets chopped up. We'll just pulse that. And then the next ingredients, I'm gonna dump all the parsley in that. Pulse again and then we'll put the nuts in there. Lemon juice. And then about 1/4 cup of olive oil. What I'm going to do is take some off the sides here and just put it back in there. It smells gorgeous. I wish the camera could pick up smell because this is amazing. Last ingredient is just a bit of salt and pepper to taste. I like to grind fresh pepper. It's just so much nicer, the flavor. And Himalayan sea salt. Last little blend here. There's our spread. It's just so gorgeous. Look at the color of this, and a little bit chunky. It's not too chopped up. It smells gorgeous. I can smell that garlic and parsley. It's just really delicious. It's very versatile and it's gorgeous looking. And with the nuts, it makes it super nutritious. It's delicious. Try it.